Hi, family. If you haven't tried out this mask that I used on my face right now, I don't know why you are sleeping out on this, okay? This mask is definitely a must try. After using this mask on my face, I was so amazed with the results and the benefits. So, guys, stay with me, guys, while I show you how to use it and share the benefits with you. Okay, welcome back, besties. It's your girl Chilma, and today's DIY video is going to be this egg viral max with coffee. Okay, so I'm going to be making use of this Nescafe coffee and our egg. Stay with me, besties, because this recipe that I'm going to be doing today, when you try it out on your skin, that is, if you do it the right way, do not make any mistakes. If you do it the right way, you are going to be so amazed at the results you are going to get. This recipe has been going viral for a very long time because of the amazing benefit that it does to the skin. So now let's get straight to it. Egg is known to be good for hydration and nourishment for the skin. Yes, egg also helps to remove excess oil from the skin, especially the egg white, okay? It helps to make the skin smoother and lighter. And egg is one kitchen ingredient that you should use to tackle anti-aging. So if you battle with wrinkles, if you battle with open pores, don't miss out on using egg, okay? Our next ingredient is coffee. Coffee is good for cellulite reduction. It helps to reduce inflammation. Coffee also moisturizes. It is also good for acne treatment and it's also anti-inflammatory. Coffee helps to remove dark circles. Coffee tightens and exfoliates the skin. So these two ingredients, they are a powerful combo. Like I actually tried this on my skin. And when I tried it, I was like, I would definitely be doing this at least once in a week, okay? So let's get straight to it. So I'm going to be breaking out my egg now, pouring my egg into my bowl. Please do not put the yolk, okay? We are just going to be making use of the egg whites. You can keep the remaining yolk later to fry or use it for breakfast or something, but do not put the egg yolk in your mixture. So this is how my egg white looks like. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding my Nescafe coffee. Yes, this particular Nescafe coffee, okay? I'm going to be adding it into my mixture. I use actually two sachets. Okay? You can decide to use one, but because of the quantity that I want to use, I just use two sachets. One good thing about this thing is after using it, even if you do not finish it, you can keep it in your fridge. That is, if you're going to use it the next day anyway, put it in your fridge and just be checking up on it, making sure that it's still in good condition, okay? Then after doing that, I'm going to mix them thoroughly. Going to mix them thoroughly that they infuse in each other. This powerful max using coffee and egg, it works very well in tightening the pores. Tightening the pores, like I actually felt it. This is one natural remedy that you should actually try out. If you have an oily skin, like you have excess sebum production, your skin is always oily and is disturbing. This is one recipe that I would recommend for you that you should be trying it out at least. Even if you cannot do it every day, at least you should be doing it at least once in a week. It is so infused with protein. So when it comes to collagen, this mixture is going to boost collagen production in it. Egg white actually helps to improve the tone. You can decide to add any other ingredient to it. Some add turmeric, some add corn flour, but I'm just going to be using the two ingredients, okay? So after doing that, I'm going to be using my spoon. Definitely this spoon, I'm not going to use it to eat or anything. I let it eat. Apply it evenly around your skin, okay? And you want to make sure that you carefully apply, because applying this thing can really be messy. So you want to make sure that you are doing it carefully, okay? After applying it on your face, the next thing you want to make sure that you do is to put up your tissue. Use your tissue and place it on the area that you have applied the mixture on your face. This is going to act as the peel off, what you will use to peel it off from your face, peel off all those dead extracts from your skin, okay? So after doing this, you're going to wait for some minutes for it to dry. Make sure that it properly dries on your skin. You know, one thing that content creators will not tell you is that number one, it is messy. This is so messy. Like, I really had to be so careful when I wanted to apply this thing on my face. So I'm actually doing this outside so that it can dry very well. You can see it's getting dried. Content creators will not tell you that this thing is messy. Applying it on your face is so messy. This thing is something that you do not want to try when you are going out. It is better, and I would ask and I would recommend that you try it in the nighttime, not when you are going out. Okay, so voila. So just have to wait for some minutes so that it can actually dry off, and we gently begin to pull them out of our face. Wow. Wow. Like, if you suffer from acne, if you suffer from pimples, if you have open pores and you actually want to tighten up your pores and give yourself a refreshing look, or you are looking for a more safe way or a natural way to exfoliate your face, this is one recipe that you should not miss out on, because I'm actually loving how smooth and fresh and the full the cool feeling it actually gives when you use it on your face. You will actually know that something has actually left your face. Guys, this recipe is a must try. This is one recipe that I'm going to be doing over and over again. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. So sorry that I had to talk, though I was talking, but the noise in the background was just so much. That is why I'm doing a voiceover. Okay, thank you guys once more for joining me. Thank you so much for your continuous support. If you've watched me up to this point, thank you so much. If you haven't liked, please do it to give a like, subscribe, and also share. Come down to the comment section and let me know if you've tried it or what you think about the max. Okay. So guys, that will be all for today's video. Do check out our previous videos, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Much love from here.